MBA Crash Course, International Marketing and Cross-Cultural Management. International marketing and cross-cultural management are two critical areas of study in the field of business. They focus on the challenges and strategies involved in marketing products and services across different countries and cultures. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamental concepts, examples, and techniques associated with international marketing and cross-cultural management. International marketing. International marketing refers to the process of planning, executing, and controlling marketing activities that facilitate the exchange of goods and services between organizations or individuals in different countries. It involves understanding the diverse cultural, economic, political, and legal environments of various countries and tailoring marketing strategies accordingly. One of the key challenges in international marketing is understanding and adapting to cultural differences. Cultural nuances and preferences greatly influence consumer behavior and purchasing decisions. For example, a product that is successful in one country may not resonate with consumers in another due to differences in values, traditions, and preferences. Companies must conduct thorough market research and develop localized marketing strategies to cater to the unique needs of each target market. Here's an interesting example to highlight the impact of cultural differences on international marketing. McDonald's, a global fast food chain, is known for adapting its menu to suit local tastes and preferences. In India, where a large population follows vegetarianism, McDonald's introduced vegetarian menu options, such as the Makalu Tikki burger made with a potato and pea patty. This adaptation allowed McDonald's to successfully penetrate the Indian market, catering to the dietary preferences of the local population. Cross-cultural management. Cross-cultural management involves managing and leading diverse teams composed of individuals from different cultural backgrounds. It focuses on understanding and leveraging cultural differences to create a harmonious and productive work environment. Effective cross-cultural management is essential for global organizations to achieve success in international markets. Cultural differences can manifest in various ways, including communication styles, decision-making processes, and perceptions of authority. A successful cross-cultural manager must possess cultural intelligence and adapt their leadership style to suit the preferences and expectations of team members from different cultures. Here's an interesting story that highlights the importance of cross-cultural management. A multinational technology company decided to expand its operations into a new market in Southeast Asia. The company sent an expatriate manager from the headquarters to lead the new branch. However, the manager encountered difficulties in managing the local employees due to cultural differences. The local employees had a hierarchical view of authority and were not comfortable challenging or providing feedback to their manager, which resulted in communication gaps and reduced productivity. Recognizing the need for cross-cultural management, the company provided cultural training to the expatriate manager and implemented initiatives to encourage open communication and collaboration across the organization. As a result, the branch experienced improved employee engagement and performance. Now, let's explore the top 12 international marketing techniques that businesses employ to navigate the complexities of global markets. 1. Market research. Conducting thorough market research helps businesses understand the target market's needs, preferences, and competitive landscape. 2. Localization. Adapting products, services, and marketing campaigns to suit the local cultural, linguistic, and regulatory requirements. 3. Pricing strategies. Determining optimal pricing strategies considering factors such as local purchasing power, competition, and market demand. 4. Distribution channels. Identifying and establishing effective distribution channels to ensure products reach the target market efficiently. 5. Global branding. Developing a consistent and appealing brand image that resonates with consumers across different cultures. 6. Digital marketing. Utilizing online platforms, social media, and digital advertising to reach a global audience and create brand awareness. 7. Strategic partnerships. Collaborating with local partners, distributors, or influencers to leverage their market knowledge and establish a strong presence. 8. Supply chain management. Optimizing the supply chain to ensure timely delivery, quality control, and cost efficiency. 9. Relationship marketing. Building long competitive analysis. understanding the competitive landscape in each target market to identify unique selling propositions and differentiate from competitors. 10. Cultural sensitivity. Adapting marketing communication and messaging to respect and align with the cultural values and norms of the target market. 11. Risk management. Assessing and mitigating potential risks associated with international expansion, such as political instability, currency fluctuations, and legal challenges. 12. Influencer marketing. Leveraging influential individuals or social media personalities in target markets to promote products or services and engage with a wider audience. Collaborating with influencers can help increase brand visibility, credibility, and reach in specific markets. These techniques are essential for businesses to navigate the complexities of international markets and maximize their chances of success. In summary, international marketing and cross-cultural management are vital areas of study for businesses operating in a globalized world. Understanding the nuances of different cultures, tailoring marketing strategies to specific markets, and effectively managing diverse teams are key factors in achieving international success. By employing the top 12 international marketing techniques, businesses can enhance their market penetration, brand awareness, and customer loyalty in global markets. Now, as promised, here's a poem on international marketing and cross-cultural management. In a world interconnected, diverse and wide, international marketing takes us for a ride. Understanding cultures, embracing their ways. To succeed in global markets, it's what it pays. Market research reveals the customer's voice, their needs, preferences, and choices of choice. Localization adapts, tailors with care, to honor traditions and values they share. Pricing strategies, a delicate dance, balancing value, demand, and circumstance. Distribution channels, reaching far and near. Efficient and effective, bringing products near. Global branding creates a powerful allure, a consistent message that's bound to endure. Digital marketing, a virtual stage, connecting the world, engaging at every page. Strategic partnerships, local expertise, guiding the way with knowledge that won't cease. Supply chain management, a well-oiled machine, timely delivery, quality pristine. Relationship marketing, building a bond. Customer loyalty, a connection so fond. Competitive analysis, staying ahead. Innovation and differentiation, no room for tread. Cultural sensitivity, a bridge we build. Respecting traditions, emotions fulfilled. Risk management, preparedness the key. Navigating challenges with strategy. In this global realm, where boundaries blur, international marketing, a star that can stir. Cross-cultural management, harmonizing the tide. Together they guide businesses worldwide. In summary, international marketing and cross-cultural management are crucial disciplines for businesses operating in a globalized world. They involve understanding and adapting to cultural differences, tailoring marketing strategies to specific markets, and effectively managing diverse teams. By employing the top 12 international marketing techniques, businesses can enhance their market penetration, brand awareness, and customer loyalty in global markets. Remember, the key lies in embracing diversity, building relationships, and continuously learning from the rich tapestry of cultures around us. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.